Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting now? Rinse the pan with the hottest water your skin can tolerate because heat thins oil and makes removal easier. Add a few drops of dish soap and swish to break surface tension. Use a nylon scrubber to lift loose residue. Once done, sprinkle baking soda across the wet surface. Its mild abrasion and alkaline reaction help break oil bonds. Make sure to work quickly while the pan is warm so the soda and soap attack the oil together. Now move to deeper treatment. Pour 1 cup water and 1/2 cup white vinegar into the pan and bring to a gentle simmer for 5–10 minutes. Acid loosens polymerized oils and carbon. After cooling slightly, drain and apply a thick paste of baking soda and water onto remaining stains. Leave 10 minutes so the paste neutralizes and lifts grime. Then scrub in circular strokes with a nylon pad. It removes softened oils without scratching. If residue remains, repeat the simmer and paste cycle once more. Finish by rinsing the pan thoroughly with hot water and drying it immediately with a microfiber cloth to avoid water spots. Make sure to buff a few drops of neutral cooking oil on a soft cloth and rub a thin layer across the surface. This restores sheen and repels future oil buildup. If you still see baked-on patches, make an oxygen-based cleaner paste, apply, let sit per product guidance, then scrub. This targets polymerized oil without aggressive scratching. You're done.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.